Hi there, and welcome to this audiobook-style video of the best-selling book by Leil Lowndes. That's me. I'm so excited to share these tips with you. This book shares 92 simple and powerful tricks to help you feel more confident, connect with others, and become better at talking to anyone, whether it's at work, at a party, on a date, or just day-to-day conversations. In this video, I'll take you through the key ideas and most useful tips from the book in an easy and clear way. Let's jump right in. We all know the saying, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and it's true. People form opinions in just a few seconds after meeting you. So how do you make those first few seconds count? One of the most important things is your smile. A warm, genuine smile instantly makes you more approachable and likable. But it's not just about smiling with your mouth, smile with your eyes too. This is called a Duchenne smile, and it signals genuine happiness and warmth. Another important aspect of a good first impression is your body language. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and keep your arms uncrossed. This shows that you're confident, open, and engaged. And finally, remember the importance of a firm handshake. A weak handshake can make you seem insecure, while a bone-crushing grip can be off-putting. Aim for a handshake that's firm but not too strong, and make sure to make eye contact as you shake hands. Once the first impression is out of the way, what's next? Starting a conversation. A lot of us worry about what to say or how to break the ice, but it doesn't have to be so scary. One easy way to start a conversation is to simply ask a question. This could be something as simple as, "How are you doing today?" or "What brings you here?" People love to talk about themselves, so asking a question is a great way to get them going. Another tip is to use your surroundings to your advantage. If you're at a party, for example, you could comment on the food, the music, or the decorations. Or, if you're at a networking event, you could strike up a conversation by asking someone about their work. The key is to find something that you can both talk about, even if it's just for a few minutes. And remember, it's okay to be a little bit vulnerable. Sharing something personal about yourself can actually make you more relatable and approachable. One of the biggest secrets to being good at talking to people? Make them feel good. It's really that simple. People are drawn to those who make them feel happy, valued, and understood. So how do you do that? One way is to be a good listener. When you're talking to someone, really pay attention to what they're saying. Make eye contact, nod your head, and ask follow-up questions. This shows that you're genuinely interested in what they have to say. Another way to make people feel good is to give them compliments. Everyone likes to be complimented, so find something nice to say about their outfit, their work, or their personality. Just make sure your compliments are genuine and specific. Don't just say, "You look nice." Instead, say something like, "That dress looks amazing on you. The color really complements your skin tone. See the difference?" Chapter 4. Listening is powerful. Talking to anyone doesn't mean talking. Great communicators are actually great listeners. They understand that listening is just as important as talking, if not more so. When you truly listen to someone, you're showing them that you respect them and value their thoughts and opinions. This can go a long way in building strong relationships. So, how can you become a better listener? First, put away your phone and give the person your full attention. Don't interrupt, and don't try to think of what you're going to say next while they're talking. Just focus on what they're saying and try to see things from their perspective. Second, use nonverbal cues to show that you're listening. Make eye contact, nod your head, and use facial expressions to show that you're engaged in the conversation. And finally, don't be afraid to ask clarifying questions. This shows that you're paying attention and that you want to understand what they're saying. Chapter 5. Body language speaks loudly. What you say is important, but how you say it, your body language, can be even more powerful. Your body language can convey confidence, warmth, and enthusiasm, or it can convey insecurity, boredom, and disinterest. So it's important to be aware of your body language and make sure it's sending the right message. One of the most important aspects of body language is eye contact. Making eye contact with someone shows that you're interested in what they have to say and that you're paying attention. It also conveys confidence and trustworthiness. Another important aspect of body language is your posture. Stand up straight, keep your shoulders relaxed, and avoid crossing your arms. This will make you appear more confident and approachable. And finally, don't forget about your facial expressions. A smile can go a long way in making you seem more friendly and approachable. Chapter 6. Talking in groups and public places. What about when you're at a party, a meeting, or somewhere with a group of people? It can be intimidating to try to talk to people in these situations, but it doesn't have to be. One tip is to use the rubberneck technique. This simply means scanning the room and making eye contact with people as you walk in. If you see someone you know, give them a smile and a nod. If you don't know anyone, that's okay. Just making eye contact with people will make you seem more approachable. Another tip is to join a conversation that's already in progress. This might seem daunting, but it's actually not that hard. Just listen to what people are saying and look for an opportunity to jump in with a comment or question. And finally, don't be afraid to start your own conversation. If you see a group of people who look like they're having fun, walk up and introduce yourself. Chapter 7. Final Thoughts. And there you have it, a simple summary of by Leil Lowndes. Remember, you don't need to use all 92 tricks in the book. Just start with a few. Smile warmly, listen closely, ask thoughtful questions, and be present. Over time, these little habits can make a huge difference in your personal and professional life. If you found this audiobook helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss new content. Thanks so much for listening, and go out there and talk to someone today. You've got this. Remember, becoming a master communicator is a journey, not a destination. It takes practice, but the rewards are well worth it. As you become more confident in your ability to talk to anyone, you'll open yourself up to a world of possibilities. You'll make new friends, advance your career, and deepen your relationships. So go out there and start talking to people. You never know what amazing connections you might make.